Hey guys, this video lesson is going to go over area of polygons day 2, so please make sure you have the notes open as well as this video and follow along with me. First question here, so remember yesterday we did a question just like this. We found the area of polygons by splitting them into different shapes, right? So here we can actually split this into two rectangles here. So I'm going to draw a line just like that. And you can see we have rectangle A and rectangle B. Again, this is a little review from yesterday. All of my sides are filled out. So for rectangle A, we can see my length here going to be 12 feet and my width is going to be 3 feet. So or my base is 12 feet and my height is 3 feet. So when I write this off to the side, I'm going to put an A for shape A. My area is base times height. Well, in shape A, my base was 12, my height was 3. If you have your calculator handy, or hopefully you know this off the top of your head, 12 times 3 is 36. So for shape A, the area is 36 feet squared. We have to do the same thing for shape B. So I'm going to put a B for shape B. And my area is still the same, base times height. Well, my base of shape 2, or shape B here, is 12 feet. My height is 3 feet. So it's actually going to be the same exact thing. So base was 12, height was 3. 12 times 3, we already figured out, was 36. Now, in order to find my total area here, I need to add my area of shape A, my area of shape B. When I plug this in my calculator, 36 plus 36, give me a total area of 72, and don't forget your units, feet squared, since it's area. Alright, same idea for this next one. Except not all of my sides are filled out. So I actually want to fill out my missing sides before I do anything else. So let's take a look. If this side length right here is 2 inches, we know in a rectangle my corresponding sides, or my other side here, is also going to be 2. If this is 3 inches here, we know my opposite side is also going to be 3. Now, when I do draw my line to split these into two shapes, I'm going to draw it like this. There's multiple ways you could draw these lines. I'm just splitting it into 2 shapes instead of 3. So, again, multiple ways you could do it. I'm just going to split it there. When I do that, my shape A, let's put shape A up here, shape B down here. So for shape A, off to the side, I'm going to put an A in a circle. That's going to be my shape A. Area is going to equal base times height. Alright, well in shape A, my base is here, 3 inches, and my height is 3 inches as well. So to find my area, I will do 3 times 3, base times height. 3 times 3 is 9. For shape B, same thing, still a rectangle, so we're going to do base times height. My base for shape B, 9 inches, my height will be 2 inches. So base 9 times my height 2, 9 times 2 is 18. And then once again, we're not finished yet. We have to add our 2 areas together, so 18 plus 9. Give me a total area of 27 inches squared. Okay, next one, we do actually have to split this in 3 parts, but also luckily all of our side lengths are filled out, so we can just go ahead and split it. Now again, multiple ways you could have split this. You could have split it up and down like this if you would prefer. Totally fine. So many different ways you can split this, so it's up to you. I'm going to split it like this. So I have a shape A, shape B, and a shape C. So again, luckily enough, all of our sides are filled out for us. So we are good to just start using our formulas. So shape A, it's a rectangle, so base times height. My base of shape A is 4, my height is 3. So area equals 3 times 4. My area of shape A is 12. Shape B is that long rectangle at the bottom, but it's still a rectangle, so base times height. My base of shape A is 11, and my height, I missed this when I was talking about it in the beginning. Well, we know that this whole side length here is 7 centimeters. We also know that this little portion right here is 3 centimeters. So that means my remaining part, my height for shape B, is going to be 4. So that was split a little bit. So when we write our equation, our base is going to be 11 times our height, 4. So be careful on that one. 11 times 4 gives me 44. Again, you can use your calculator. No harm, no foul in that. Shape C, still a rectangle. So base times height. My base is 3. Base 3, height 3. So 3 times 3 gives me an area of 9. I need to add all of my areas together. So 12 plus 44 plus 9 gives me a total area of 65, don't forget your units, centimeters squared. Now the rest of the slides are practicing exactly what we just did, so you have 4 more slides we would like you to complete, and then check the key back in the agenda, please, to make sure you got them correct.